I'm Stefanie Riemer. I'm a PhD student from the University of Vienna, and I'm currently in Lincoln for a short-term research project on correlates of impulsivity in domestic dogs.
Why did you decide to come to the University of Lincoln?
3 years ago I came to lab visits to the University of Lincoln, and I like the approach that they're taking with combining basic and applied research. I found it very interesting, and I knew they were doing a lot of impulsivity, so I thought maybe I could investigate the opposite patients in domestic dogs, so the ability to wait. And it turned out that Hannah Wright had developed the paradigm already in this sort of area, and what I'm very interested in is how is patients related to other cognitive measures, because what has been found in humans, ability to wait is related to a range of other measures. It's related to attentiveness and social and academic competence, as well as ability to deal with frustration and stress. So my aim was to see if we find the same sort of relationship in domestic dogs.
How did you go about testing that?
Yeah, the paradigm which I was using is called a delayed reward choice test. So the delayed reward choice test involves two devices which can be depressed by the dog's paws, and one of them will deliver one piece of food immediately and the other one delivers 3 pieces of food but after a delay. And this delay increases when the dogs go for the large reward. So initially the delay is 3 seconds and they get 3 pieces of food, but as they keep choosing the delayed reward, the time increases up to 25 or 30 seconds. And what we want to know is at what point do the dogs switch and decide it's not worth the wait and go for the small reward. And I'm doing a range of other experiments looking at attentiveness and problem-solving abilities. For example, I have 3 manipulative toys where the dogs get a demonstration first. Here, look how attentive are they, how much time do they spend looking at the demonstration, and afterwards they get to try to work out how to obtain treats from these toys. And here again I look at problem-solving success and persistency in case they do not succeed. Other tests which I've done are tests of distractibility. So initially they learn to touch a target with their noses, and then I would introduce some distractions such as some moving disco balls, noise, or the distraction was how this for most dogs was having some treats in the other hand, and they would have to refrain from going to this hand but touch the target. I also did a little pointing experiment looking how well they could follow a human pointing gesture either with the arm and the head or with the head only. Quite a classic experiment which is used in dog cognition. And I will relate all of these results to the performance in the delayed reward paradigm.
What have you enjoyed the most about your time in Lincoln?
I enjoyed the whole university very much. I like the research environment. It's very friendly and supportive. I also enjoyed being able to sit in on some of the courses that they're doing, learning more about this very applied side of working with animals, about analyzing the animal's emotions. And I also enjoyed being totally responsible for my own project and doing something different. It was quite varied and it involved training tasks with the dogs, getting to know lots of different dogs. Yeah.